Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Sakafet. Hope everybody's doing well. To all my subscribers, thank you. And if you're new to this channel, welcome darling. So we're just gonna get right into this video. As you can see, I'm just detangling my hair because if we're going for the slick style, we need to ensure that our hair is detangled. Then find your pattern. Today I'm doing a deep side part, just a swoop part. You can see me just trying to perfect that pattern. I'm using this comb. I don't know if I really have a name, but if you prefer fin tooth comb, it's all your personal preference. Do what works for you, honey. So now I'm just going in with water. Now I'm using water because my hair is low porosity, and so water sipping into my hair is very difficult. Likewise, gel or everything just sits on top of my hair. To get it blended, I'm using water to kind of help the gel go through my hair much better. You will see exactly what I'm saying from the front. I could not position myself for the back so well, but you will see exactly what I'm talking about from the front. So I detangle, I use my hand, I put my water, I slick down, and I add on my gel, and I detangle some more if necessary. You have to use judgment because it's easier just when everything is just detangled. Then I use my comb to press on my hand. I go in with a brush. This is not a Denman brush. It is almost like a Denman brush, but it's not a Denman brush. I actually had a Denman brush, but what happened is the rubber kept coming out from the pad and it just was frustrating me. So I was like, no. I'm just not up for that frustration. So this is a cheaper version of a Denman brush and it does the same thing. So I'm just using the rubber pads. And then I'm using my dense brush. As I said before, if you looked at my prior videos, I really can't remember where I purchased this brush, but it's just a dense brush. And then I use a shushu band, whatever you call it in your culture, honey. I don't know. We say hair bands. Some people say shushu's. I don't know. Then I do the same thing to the other side. As you can see, I'm adding quite a bit of the Eco Styler flaxseed gel shown earlier because my hair is, you need the Holy Spirit when dealing with my hair. It may look like it's an easy cookie, but it's not. Like, I try to keep my hair stretched out as much as possible, so because it's more manageable that way. But it's, I don't know, it can get real tangled real quick if I don't move quickly. Onto the hardest part, which is the top. If you have longer hair than me, then this part might not be your hardest part. But if you have shorter hair than me, then you're definitely struggling. What I do for this part is I ensure that I separate it into two sections, so smaller sections, and I take it part by part. I use a lot of gel, as you can see. I use my hand to glide on the gel, and I just brush, and I just believe that the Holy Spirit will take me through this process because it have gone bad on me already. Like, it has happened. Now, when I reach to this stage, I no longer remove the band to the back. I just add on a new band. If I remove the previous band, then volcano can just erupt. Like, it would just, I will have bumps all over the place. So no, this look is tiring. My goodness, it does not look like that, but this is a workout. So I'm just continuing and just slicking down. As you can see, I'm using my comb off and on to kind of just spread along any spaces that I see. It's 4CS, so it clumps up really quickly. So, and then I'm just going with my brush over that. I'm using my hand and my brush. I do that a lot. Use my hand and my brush simultaneously, so it kind of looks weird on camera. Then I'm just continuing and just adding more gel, because the more I add gel is the more I see strands of hair standing. I'm like, isn't this supposed to be a slick down? Oh my God, will this happen? Then I'm going with my Got2b glue and I'm just sealing in all that gel to ensure that I limit the amount of flyaways that I have. And you can see I'm trying to do a baby hair situation. My edges, they're becoming soon. And I tie that and I do my makeup. Let's see the reveal. Ooh, Cha, you did it. Look at that. Look. So this is the end result. We slick down this fussy hair. And just to top up the style, I'm just adding this puff. I will link it down in the description. I purchased it quite a while back though, so I hope I could get that. But yeah, I just add that on. Now I put my bands really tight, so I'm just trying not to put this hairband extremely tight. I'm just using a hairpin to secure it. But yeah, and then I fluff out the puff, and then that is practically it, honey. This is it. We are done. Ooh, child. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something. And if you try out this style, you can hit me up on Instagram, tag me along so I can be like, yes. Okay. Now, if you're interested in this makeup look, you know where you can catch me on the next one. Okay guys, that's it. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like, turn on your post notifications. Catch you on the next one.